If you enjoy using your OnePlus 12 or your OnePlus 12R phone, or even the OnePlus 13 phone in darkness, you love laying on your couch or on your bed watching your screen, you might want to consider turning on the eye protection feature. I'll show you where to go to find it and how it works. For the most part, you can always use the quick access section here and look for the eye comfort view mode here. You can single tap it to turn it on or single tap it to turn it back off, or even long press it to take you to where you want to go. However, if you don't see it as part of the quick toggles here, you can also go into the main settings. Use the quick access, tap on this icon right here, this one there. From here, go down until you see display and brightness. Once in this section here, you'll go down some more until you see eye comfort and sleep. So from here now, you'll get your bedtime mode, which I wouldn't want to mess with that right now. So go down to where it says eye protection and eye comfort. So you can go ahead and turn this on. You'll notice your screen gets a bit on the yellowish side. You can have the smart, which is set as default, or the custom one. With the custom setup here, you'll go down a little bit to get access to more features. And by that, you can also choose to have this turn on and off based on the time that you set it to turn on and off. So if you know you use your phone at night, like maybe say from 8 to 10 o'clock before you fall asleep, then set it from 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. from here, and then your eye comfort is going to turn on based on these colors. Next up, you got the temperature settings here. And by bringing it to the far right, you'll notice how much more of a yellowish it gets, okay? So currently I have it set to the schedule, so I'll turn it off so it can stay on and so that you can see how it actually works, okay? So we want to come back here and turn it back on, and with the custom version here, you can adjust it. So notice how yellowish it gets versus the low one here, okay? Now, as I do all this here, you have the display effects. This here will give you the option to keep your original colors, or if you're just mainly reading things on the internet, switch to the black and white colors, and you can have yourself this here and read off of your OnePlus phone. And you can come back and change these settings at any given time, like I said.